So should be able to take this sucker off now. Ooh, it's hot in here, guys. And echoey. Can't hear. Should have worn some hearing protection. I was kind of stupid. Okay, so I'm gonna have to wait because I'm just dripping. It's like 95 degrees. I need to wait for someone else to get home to help me take this cap off. I've got today, tomorrow, a couple more days to get everything done. So, you know, we'll see what happens. It's down to the wire. James and I leave in 2 weeks. So I think I work probably 9 of those 14 days, 12-hour shifts. So, but anyway, okay, I'm gonna go, I'm gonna grab Lexi and we're gonna go into town. I'm getting her a new ramp. She's been tripping when she goes up on the stairs. I don't know why. I don't know if it's just her being old or being clumsy or what the case is, but she has been tripping quite a bit. coming up and down the stairs, so I don't want to have to risk her not being able to jump with my assistance up into the back with the little stair that we used to use. I think the ramp is going to be the safer bet, and the one I have for her that I used before is actually pretty darn heavy, and it takes up quite a bit of room. So I saw one online today on Marketplace that is $30 that someone's selling it for, and it's aluminum and it just slides open. And I, when I messaged, she said yes, it can accommodate big dogs. So I think that is probably going to be my best bet. So that's what Lexi and I are going to go do now while everyone else is not home. Anyway, stick with me till the end. Let's see how good my build comes out.
Driving up north on the Trans-Canada Highway. The night is sweet, 1,000 stars. I'm driving up north on the Trans-Canada Highway. The night is sweet, 1,000 stars. Should I stay with you? I know. Should I stay for more? Should I stay with you? I know now. Don't want to leave anymore. Want to build a home of love and light with you. I want to build a home. Harvest moon it is, playing in the car. The good old Neil Young is on my side once again. I can see your eyes and I can feel your pulse. Your beating heart gives me the rhythm. Should I stay with you? I know. Should I stay for more? Should I stay with you? I know now. Don't wanna leave anymore. I wanna build a home. Took a little mirror from your magic box. I feel it with the ocean sun. I take it with me whenever I go. Will be like your smile on my soul. Should I stay with you? I know. Should I stay for more? Should I stay with you? I know now. Don't wanna leave anymore. I wanna be like home, love and light with you. I want to build a home, love and light.
Guys, I know I keep taking breaks, but it's really, really hot out here. I'm gonna go in, cool off again, and then after this has time to set and dry, I'll try to flip it a little bit and do some of the windows. I don't know. I'm losing my steam. Alright guys, I'm not going to bore you having you watch me scrape all these windows and put tape and stuff on. I'll get back to you when I start flipping it to get the painting done.
As you guys can see, my curiosity got the best of me, so I taped up the front window and painted it, just to see how it would look. Hit that subscribe button and join us next time for the painting, the caulking of the windows, the installation of the floor, and we get the topper back on the truck bed. Oh yeah, something on this video was a major fail, so come back to find out what it was. As always, guys, thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.